Hey, what's up YouTube? It's been a while. Here today with another unboxing video of game controllers. As you may know, I'm searching for the best game controller that you can hook up to your phone. The search is still going on, and today I got the Gamesir X2 Type-c game controller. It was pretty exciting for a while, and I got the package pretty late, so that was a bummer. But still, let's go and have a look at inside, see what does the package come with, how's the build quality and all that good stuff. You can see that packaging is pretty nice, it's well organized, it's quite a good unboxing experience. It comes with a bunch of barcodes. You can check them out. It takes you to a website. You can see what phones are compatible with, what kind of games are compatible with your phone, and also this pretty little Gamesir sticker. Anyway, in terms of the build quality of the controller itself, I kind of really like it. It feels very sturdy. It's well made. It's a very nice feel to it. It has this nice grips with these rubber backings to it. I'm surprised. It has a very good button feel. Everything is feel, but I gotta check this out in a gaming experience, and that will be another video soon. Right now I'm just taking to see like what is the compatibility with this product. I heard that some phones are not, at the moment they're not, and they're working on this, but it's Gamesir. It would take a while. It would at least be a few months before they can add more to this list. They have this group of games that is compatible, and I don't see the PUBG in this. It's very actually surprising. Overall, there has like Fortnite is there, like a bunch of Grand Theft Autos are there. It comes with like it's a good group of games that get you going, but I'm pretty sure as the time goes by they will update this list. I hope you like this, and still I'm looking for the best game controller. If you know of any, or you think that you have one that you would like me to add it to my collection, please do let me know, and I hope you like this video. I'm just gonna attach it to my good old Note 8 and see how does it feel and what does it look like. Take it easy and catch you guys next time.